beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will learn about the skyscraper technique by Brian Dean. So Brian Dean is a SEO specialist who have developed this skyscraper technique, and this technique have 5 main steps. So the first step is find well performing content. So first of all, we have to find out the most beautiful content around the world. So for that purpose, you can actually go to this website with the name is buzzsumo.com, and this is a very nice app, actually tool, which will be very useful for finding out the best content. And here you can find out the content. So for example, if we find out the content like entertainment, then you can see there is no result related to entertainment, because entertainment is a common I just misspelled the word, so that's why entertainment. So here we should have a, and let's see, and now you can see that we have some content, and for every article, you can see the article, you will have these links here. Okay, you can see that it has 5.3k likes on Facebook, on Twitter nothing, Pinterest nothing, 4 on Twitter, etc. For this you can see 44.6k and 15 on Twitter. So you will find out the best article around. So for example, this one, so let's open it, and now you can see that when you click on this article, you will find out this article. Okay, so in this way you can actually find the best article, and by this nice tool. And when you will get that articles, then the second step is to create better content. So now when you will have that content, if you will have that article, now you can actually develop your own article or own content on basis of that original content. So definitely for some points, if you will check out the whole article, and if you will like a certain area, you will just collect that area, and then you will include it in your website, and then you will give a better detail of that specific sections. Then it means that you are creating a better content. The third step is a design content better. So for example, if you will create that a post or article, it should have relevant videos, relevant images, and overall style should be user friendly. The paragraph spacing will be should be nice. The headings, tags should be in a better manner, and these things are very important. So design is also very important for getting the visitors or engaging the visitors on your website. Then the fourth step is reach out to the websites. So this is also a nice and important step. So in this way you can actually reach out your niche. So you will find out the best websites which are actually providing content like same like your website, and then you can email them, or just right away write an email, and then in the email just propose them to have their link on your website, and in result you need a link on their website in a proper manner. So this is a step by which you can get links on the high authority websites. Then definitely be human. So be human mean that you should share their links to your website as well, and if any third party your niche websites will promote your website in a manner, then definitely in the result you should promote them as well. That's it for this video. Next video will practical do some backlinking.